What's good, YouTube? I'm on my way to Best Buy right now. I'm finna go get this DJI gimbal so I can make some flawless videos, you feel me? Might as well, you do it, you're gonna do it all the way. Invest in yourself. So I'm finna go get this gimbal right quick. I'm gonna bring y'all in there with me and see what's up. And then I'm gonna bring it home, unbox it, and show y'all what's up with it. That crack popper, yes sir. Yes sir. On the way in now. I had one of these, I sold it. I should have kept it. I hate wearing this thing. I guess it keep you away from the germs. DJI Mobile 3. This thing gonna come in handy. Yes, sir. Hold on, got it open. Had to use my little tool. Rusty dusty. We'll open this together. This the combo thing, so yeah, man. It come with everything. Boom, that's how it came. Bro. I'm gonna get it up and get it going right quick. See what the thing do. Let me open this. All right, look, I'm finna open all this. I'm finna get it open. I'm gonna come back to y'all later. Come on.
I'm so hungry. Are you gonna make food, Dad?
Can we do it? Look at this spaghetti. What's good, y'all? Another day, same video. I got some shots with the DJI Osmo, and now I'm finna go wash my car. I just washed my car. Then you got these trucks throwing all this dirt. Goodness.
Get his up face.
Alright, thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Now it's time for me to get to work. Get the editing in this thing. Peace.